Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to see how to create a file and save it at particular location. Okay, so in this video we will know if we are creating any file, any type of file like PDF or CSV or XLS, any type of file we are creating, and we have to save in. And now what we will do, this is also very simple process. I will share with you how to create a file and save in a particular location. Okay, so let's start. What I will do here, I will create one string, okay, a string, and the string name will be brand code. Okay, anything you can write as your wish. I'm writing string name is brand code, and I can type something here like 1 2 3 or anything like if you want to write brand code, you can write brand code also, or I'm just writing 1 2 3 because you can just differentiate these things, you can compare these things. That's why I'm writing in this way. Okay, now I will create a directory. So directory will be, file directory will be like dir, okay, and then name anything you can write. I'm just writing dir, okay, new file, okay. So now we need to pass directory here. Before this I need to import, okay, java.io for file. Okay, now it's imported, and we need to pass directory. Inside directory we need to pass some values, directory values. Okay, so how we will bring that one, let's see. So I will go to my directory anywhere else, like think here I'm selecting the F drive. Okay, in F drive what I will do, I will just create one folder, okay, where I want to see my files. Okay, in folders you will see like I will create in 2 steps. Why I'm creating in 2 steps? Because in future you are going to save multiple type of files in different locations. That's why I'm creating in that way. So I'm just creating here new, okay, and then I will write here my files. Okay, this is my folder name, my files. Okay, inside my files once again I will create one more folder for brand code. Why I'm creating brand code? Think if you are handling with different type of codes, so you need to give the name. So I'm just one brand code I have written there, 1 2 3. So here also I will write brand code 1 2 3. Okay, you can write another name also, it's not a problem. I'm just writing to understanding purpose. When you will get experience you will understand how it's working. Okay, now what I will do, I will just copy the location. Okay, so see, this is my location, right, my files. Okay, I have copied the location, correct. Come to your Eclipse, keep your location is here, directory, and then I will use here file separator. You know, one by one we are going steps, go inside file, so we are using the file separators. So I will write file separator here, file dot separator, okay, then plus, and brand code which we have used here, same brand code I will keep it here also. Okay, so this is our brand code. Now what I will do, I will just give the name of the file. So when we are going to save our file, it should be with some name, right? So we will save some name also. So string, okay, and file name, string file name, okay, and file name will be like brand code top we have written same brand code name, we are going to give it here also, brand code, and we will just add one more string to differentiate the file. Okay, so let's create a string brand type, okay, brand type. Why I'm creating in multiple way? Because when you will do live projects, you need to see there. Okay, you need to create different type of files and many more things, and we all things we are going to handle this year also. One by one I will make new videos for this. Okay, so till here now you have defined the file name. Now you need to create the file also. So go through this one, file, okay, then file, new file, okay, and then now you are going to give the directories. So this is your directory, okay, copy, okay, directory is here, plus, okay, file separator we are going to use, file dot separator, again plus, and after file separator you need to give your file name, then brand name, okay, because these are the part of your this task. So file name, after file name what I want to give, after I want to give the brand name also, okay, this is my brand name, okay. And which type of file I need to create, that's also important. So if I want to create PDF file or CSV file or something else, so I will add it here, like if I am adding CSV file, okay, or XLS file or PDF file, anything I can change and we will get the same thing, okay. Here it's error because I have forgot to write equal to sign, okay. Now this one is completed, so we need to get some message also, like it's going correct or not, or what's if something will be anything like file is multiple time is file creating, or same file is coming again. So for this we need to handle also, we will do these things also in later on videos, okay. So boolean, okay, result, because I need to see the how the file is creating, if we will get anything like boolean spelling is like BOOLEAN. If our file is creating again and again, multiple time file is coming, for these things we need to resolve this also issue, because we don't need to change every time file, okay. So we'll do that also. Now pass the try block, okay, because we need to create a new file here, try, then catch, okay. All right, and here I will pass IO exception, then inside catch block I will pass e dot IO exception e import IO exception e, okay, and try block just pass it here, result, okay, and what will be result, like file dot create new file, okay, CREAT, create new file, done, okay, close by semicolon, and in here I will give e dot print status, okay. Now I think almost is done, and save it and now run the program, okay, and see we are getting our desired output or not. So run as Java application, see file location, something is like okay, file location, yes, that's printing. We need to see the file also, like we need to see the location also. For this one what I will do, sys out, okay, and then I will write it here file, okay. We are calling this file, so we can see the our file location, what is our file location and all. Save it again, okay, and run this one. Almost file is already created, if you will see here, okay, but I want to make some changes, like to see it better way. So now run it, run as Java application, and see inside F my files 123a.csv file is created there. You can see here 123a file is created here, okay. So this is if I want to change the file name, that's why I have just brand type, so I want to make some B, okay, save it here, okay, and then again run and see the output, okay. Run as Java application, and you can see here 123b, okay, .csv file, okay. So in this way you are getting a new file, but this is a static way to write change the name of the value of the file. So every time we cannot follow same process, so we need to make something dynamically, so we don't need to change the file brand type or something's file name, it will create automatic a new file, okay, if we are getting a same file again. So for this also what we need to do, we'll handle this all process, okay, in next coming video. So for this please subscribe to my channel and see how it's working, okay. Thank you everyone, bye bye.